Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Air, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, let's swipe down from the top of our screen like so, and then do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Now, in here we are looking for the power saving mode, which I already know it's not added by default, so we will need to do that ourselves. And we can do that by clicking right here on this pencil. And somewhere below here, you will find all the toggles that are turned off, which includes two different power saving modes. We have the normal power saving, and we have the ultra power saver. I'm going to add both of them. As you can see, you add them by holding them. The icon lifts up and you can then drag it over to the top, drop it, and when you go back, you should have access to it on one of the pages. So let's start off by actually not clicking on either one of those to toggle it on, but by holding the power saving. This will take us to the settings. Now, Nubia doesn't have the best kind of settings for power saving mode, but it still allows for a little bit of control. Now, one thing that it is kind of neat is that it allows you to set it up so it automatically turns on and off. And you can do so right here by changing when it turns on, at what percentage. So if, like it said right now, when the battery falls down to 34%, it will automatically turn on, though you do need to have this turned on. Now, the reason I didn't do that right away is because once you turn it on, you can't change the percentage anymore. So it needs to be turned off for you to adjust the percentage. Next, we have turn off power saver automatically, and this will be done when battery reaches 90%. There is no option for you to change. It's just 90% and that's it. If you don't like it, you can turn it off, but it is a pretty nice option. Next, we have restricts apps from accessing network. So basically turn off Wi-Fi and mobile network when you're not using the device, and reduce refresh rate. So from 120, it's going to be locked to 60. So you can change all of those if you want to. I'm going to keep it as it is set by default and close it up. Now, whenever you want to enable your power saving mode, find this toggle once more. Does that help me? And just simply tap on it. And it's barely visible, but you can see that the filling of the battery changes to green to indicate that it is right now enabled, if the abhorrent refresh rate wasn't visible enough. Now, that's one thing that I can enable. The other one is the ultra power saver mode. Now, that one is a little bit more extensive. This is a mode that you probably might be interested if you just, I don't know, got stranded on an island and you won't be rescued for foreseeable weeks. So if you turn it on, it gives you this quick message: enable ultra power saver to bring maximum battery to your phone. This mode will restrict the number of apps that start automatically and restrict the background activity of apps. That's basically, anyway, we're going to click on OK. We're not going to go through this entire thing. And you can see that right now, even though the battery is half full or half empty, depending on if you're half full or empty kind of glass guy, and even that, we are still gonna get about 45, almost 46 hours of battery life in this mode. So it does extend it quite significantly. And this mode, as you can see, removes things like wallpapers, applications from your home screen, and even toggles. So it is mode that is just, like I said, strictly designed for preserving as much battery as possible, and does everything that the normal power saving mode did, plus much more. Now, to leave this mode, you will need to click right here on this exit button and then confirm it, and there we go. Now, it will go back to the previous mode. So because I had power saving mode enabled, it's still in actual power saving mode. So I do need to turn that off as well. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.